Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I explore the latest trends and innovations in technology. In today's video, I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence in the automotive industry and how it is transforming the way we drive, travel, and interact with our vehicles. Artificial intelligence, or IE, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. AI is having a significant impact on the automotive industry in a number of ways. Some of the most notable ways in which AI is impacting the industry include autonomous vehicles. AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles, which are able to navigate and drive themselves without the need for human intervention. Autonomous vehicles use sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR, GPS, and other technologies to perceive their surroundings and use deep learning algorithms to process the data and make decisions. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to improve safety, efficiency, convenience, and accessibility of transportation for millions of people around the world. Advanced driver assistance systems. AI is also being used to enhance the safety and performance of human-driven vehicles through advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. ADAS are features that assist drivers in various situations, such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, collision avoidance, parking assistance, and more. ADAS use AI to analyze data from sensors and cameras and provide alerts, warnings, or interventions to help drivers avoid accidents or errors. Voice recognition. AI is enabling drivers and passengers to interact with their vehicles using natural language voice commands. Voice recognition systems use natural language processing and speech recognition to understand and respond to spoken requests, such as adjusting the temperature, playing music, making phone calls, getting directions, or accessing information. Voice recognition systems can also learn from user preferences and behavior and provide personalized suggestions or recommendations. Predictive maintenance. AI is helping car manufacturers and owners to monitor and maintain their vehicles more effectively and efficiently. Predictive maintenance systems use AI to analyze data from sensors and historical records and detect anomalies or signs of wear and tear in various components of the vehicle. Predictive maintenance systems can also provide alerts or notifications when a service or repair is needed and optimize scheduling and logistics for maintenance operations. These are just some of the examples of how AI is impacting the automotive industry. AI is also being used to improve car design, manufacturing, marketing, customer service, and more. AI is creating new opportunities and challenges for car manufacturers, consumers, regulators, and society at large. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content on technology trends and innovations. Thank you for watching.